What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make straight cuts with a circular saw. There's a couple different ways to do it. One way to do it is just to use something with a straight edge, like a level. You set it across. You set it, whatever you're trying to cut, you just set it across that angle. Obviously, the straight edge has to be long enough. You set it, and then you clamp it down to the wood. You literally just slide your circular saw right against the edge of that as it's cutting the wood that you want to cut. It's super simple, as you've seen in the videos that I opened this up with. And I'm not talking about short cuts, I'm talking about really long cuts. Like this one's 8 feet long, and it's 4 inches and 4 inches on either side. Something that you do have to take into consideration is the depth from here to the blade and the actual width of the blade. But once you have your straight edge set up, you literally just slide your saw against it and it makes your straight cuts for you. Another way to do it is to go buy a cutting straight edge guide. This one's a Quinn from Harbor Freight. It was about 40 bucks. It's not the highest quality, but it works. And to be honest, I thought about using it because I'm actually building my own countertops. So I thought about using it just for the time I needed it, cleaning it up and taking it back. But after I used it, I decided I'm going to keep it. So I definitely recommend getting it. It's 40 bucks. These actually have clamps on each side, but you pretty much just take your measurement, measure each side that you want to cut, clamp it down. This thing actually has a clamp on each end, but you pretty much clamp it into place, and then you just run your saw across the side of it like this. And it's super simple. This is actually the first time I've used this. This is the first time I've done straight edge cuts that were this long. Besides with a table saw, but with a circular saw it's way easier. And to be honest, I'm not 100% sure I really even need a table saw anymore, unless I'm doing compound cuts, but I'm pretty sure I can do compound cuts with this. But that is how you make straight edge cuts. It's very, very simple. And this Quinn tool, it's very simple to put together. It comes in two pieces, slides together right here, kind of like a male and female side. That thing slides together. These 4 screws come out, slides together. You screw those back in, and that's what holds the entire thing together. I recommend this tool, especially if you're making long straight cuts. Anyways, I hope this helped you out. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.